Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your carrier and plan allow tethering and turn on cellular data. Once done, check signal strength. Prefer LTE or 5G for stability. Next, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and create a strong Wi-Fi password. This prevents unauthorized access. Make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled. If you use Bluetooth or USB, pair or connect the device now. These steps get your iPhone ready to share internet securely. Now connect the other device. For Wi-Fi, select your iPhone's SSID and enter the password you set. This is the most common and supports several devices. If you need lower latency or a stable single connection, plug into USB and trust the computer when prompted. For minimal battery drain and basic browsing, pair via Bluetooth. Once connected, verify the status bar shows a chain link icon or the device's connection indicator. Make sure hotspot timeouts are managed in settings so connections don't drop. Finish by managing the connection. Check cellular data usage to avoid surprises because tethering uses your data allotment fast. Once done, keep an eye on battery. Use low power mode cautiously and consider charging while tethering. If a device can't connect, restart your iPhone, toggle personal hotspot off and on, and repair or forget the network on the client device. If issues persist, update carrier settings and iOS. Sometimes a network reset fixes stubborn configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.